I got 3 different baskets from the Dollar Tree to show you how it looks on different styles. And in case you don't have one of these options near you, the printable backboards come in 2 size options and 3 different style options. You can also change the fonts and the colors. I printed mine on glossy cardstock for some shine and some added durability, but you can also just print on any paper and then back with some cardstock or foam board as well. I'm going to kind of try a couple different ways of adhering them to the baskets. This one I'm going to punch, zip tie, and add a little extra hot glue so it's not kind of flailing all over. I was also thinking I could try one with the dowel rods and maybe one with just some hot glue to see how well it stays on its own. And this is the basket we're going to try the zip ties on. I punched the holes. I actually just used a little screwdriver and it fit perfectly. And we're going to zip tie it on and then see what else we need to kind of keep it stable. I am actually so impressed at how well this is holding with just the zip ties. There's no hot glue, no tape, nothing else added. And this is the large backboard with cardboard, so it is a little back heavy, but it does stand on its own. It does get a little wobbly, so you'll probably have to be careful, but when they come home and it has Valentines in it, that shouldn't be a problem. It's so cute. So I've decided this basket is the one we're going to try the dowel rods on. I think that they feel pretty sturdy, just being able to kind of weave them through by going in like that. And then I was going to hot glue onto the dowel rods, and that way it kind of has this ledge as well as some extra support. We'll see how it turns out. This one also turned out adorable and was so easy. This one just has the dowel rods in there. They're not even sealed down, and then I just hot glued them, don't mind how ugly it looks, to the back of the cardboard, and voila! I do think that this basket is also a little more stable than the metal one, which sucks because I really think the metal one's so cute, but they're all really cute actually. For this basket, I think both the little sign that fits in this little nook right here, as well as a big sign, could work great. Obviously the big looks a little better. But for this basket, I think we're going to go ahead and do the little one and see how it will stick with just some hot glue. We'll find out. Look at how cute this one turned out. I do like that the basket is bigger and that you don't have to worry about the metal being all wobbly. This is the smaller backboard, and I just use hot glue and it's pretty stable. But if you do want to double down, I'd hot glue a dowel rod right in there for some extra support. Alright, which basketball hoop do you think turned out the best? Here's number 1. Number 2. And number 3.